My name is Ralph Hennig. I'm a trained chef, among other things. And I'm doing a little promo for a good friend of mine. He has a bed and breakfast up in Vermont, in Derby Lane Village. And he's fantastic. Him and his wife, Paula. So he's my mentor as a chef, by the way. I want to do a quick review on the Zline RA36. This is the cooktop and the oven, because it had some serious issues, and they have been fixed by me with the help of the tech support from Zline. So I have to say they were extremely helpful. Tried to accommodate me, even though this is a 3-year-old stove. It has rarely been used because I'm very meticulous. Keep it clean, and the oven itself maybe a handful. And that was initially the first problem. I wanted to make some bread, and then of course, well, it didn't heat up. The lower coil didn't work at all, the broiler did. And then after doing some research on the internet, it was known that there have been problems with it. And as I looked a little further, there were the cables burned out in the back towards the coils. After making phone calls with Zline, and I did not wait very long, maybe a couple minutes, 5 minutes or so. Very helpful young, well, I'm assuming they were young, the way they sounded, ladies and one gentleman were helpful in remedying the problem. And they actually sent me a coil with cables which were more insulated. So I fixed that one, but there was also a problem with the light, which was not working. The heating light was not working, and that became a larger problem because I had to open up the panels in the back, take everything out here, including these cook pieces, and of course, as I was doing that, some of the screws broke off, and it just became one after the next problem. However, I have to say, I ordered some new devices, which I paid for. I was happy to, and then I'll remedy that. The light itself was replaced by the company. Probably there were some problems when they manufactured it, I don't know. Anyways, I have to say, even though it was an ordeal, it was an experience, a learning experience for me. The cooking stove and the oven, as a trained chef, I have to say it's basically, I feel like I'm in a commercial kitchen working on the stove. I can't say that I'm happier having this working all again perfectly. One thing I want to say is that the hardest for me is putting the back panels on, because there are numerous pieces. So I suggest you make photos of the back of the oven, and make sure that you're step by step reassembling it, what you disassemble. So that was my biggest challenge, but it's perfectly fine now, and happy to be cooking again, and all the best for all your amateur and professional chefs. Go Zline.